Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how you get rid of aphids in such amazing way. Aphids are small subsucking insect and member of superfamily Aphidoidea. But you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you to get rid of aphids from your home or garden. To make this remedy we will need few ingredients such as dish soap detergent is approximately a 2% concentration in a fairly safe alternate to commercial insecticidal soap. Next one is canned paper. Those efforts are more hate the smell of canned paper. It also does not hurt your gender and plants. Now we can prepare our remedy. Firstly, we need 1.5 cup of water into the bowl. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of dish soap into the mixture. In the last we add 1 teaspoon of canned pepper into the bowl. Now mix it well. And look, the spray is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel.